There's the new Supra, 2021. Shit.
Down with the bass and sound.
So today, what we're gonna be doing, I am here today. Everybody's here today. Today we're going to be doing front brakes, front rotors, rear rotors. All on what? The Supra, the 91 Supra. Let's get it. Let's see what happens.
That was easy. That was first try.
Just takes a little bit of, you know. And then it still pops up from time to time. No speed. What about it? Oh, wait, what's that? We brought the big boy today. Yeah. So finally got
Oh, that's actually, yeah. He wanted to buy the whole new assembly, and I was like, bro, just buy a new adapter for it. And that's what he did.
Dustin, what size are these? Definitely.
It went from like $120 to
like
10.
I was about to say, like,
bro, it's actually so much fire.
0 to 60 real quick. There you go, you're at 60 now. What?
Here.
Oh, I found the flathead.
Much busy as usual. So we're replacing this.
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Yes.
Oh,
Ooh.
this and this?
Does that have to go everything up first, or? Yeah, go up. I'm assuming caliper has to come off first, right? So that's gonna be just
take it all the way up. That way this will go up.
Cave Beats.
crank that off.
Easy for me. Good at taking shit off, just not putting it back on. What is this, trash? I guess it's a pump.
Got some heart brakes. Better be. Hey, look. Hey, these are asbestos free.
Asbestos.
It's so shiny.
Wish this was from so light.
And then put that last bolt in this coach.
That bolt in and,
This one from the bottom?
yeah. And then the two for that red.
Yeah.
There you go. Did you tighten the two big ones?
What big ones?
The two like 17. The first two you did? Yeah.
I believe so, yeah.
The cable's good. It's not. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Dude, one thing I'm not good at
Alright guys, so basically right now we got front brakes done, new pads, new rotors, and then you can see on this side as well right away. All new, all new. So we've never done brakes before, ever. We've never done front brakes, we've never done rear brakes, and now we're doing brakes on a car that's 30 years old, and it's a fun learning experience, that's for sure. And I never thought I'd see the day where the three of us are working on a car here after hours. How does it feel?
Dirty.
Dirty? How dirty? Oh, look at this squat. Look at this positioning. Look at that. Alright guys, so basically as you can see, we're getting started on the rears right now. It's about 8 something o'clock, I'm not sure. Is it? Is it? I don't know. Well, it doesn't matter too much, but it's about 7:30. I look like a rat, and yeah, we're still working, and we'll bring you another update here shortly.
It came out a little bit. With what? Yeah, fucking channel 12.
Yeah. This is fucking.
To na górę.
Perfect.
Crank out a few, you know? You know? Some
Easy.
slight. While he's taking his time, you know? Get a little bit of a workout in.
Look at these new shiny rotors. That's an uncomfortable situation.
Oh, hello.
You want to show the new luggies for the fresh and clean with crispies? Oh yeah.
That's good.
If you go too fast, you can create an air bubble. And then that'll respond. Just keep going until it gets hard. Good job.
If you guys enjoyed this episode, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. We got dreams. Like this video if you guys want to see more of the Supra. We got a suspension in mind to install, and seats and interior and whatnot. So if you guys enjoy this series, light it up.